I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything!
On October 4th, 2023, officers responded to a shoplifting incident at a 76 gas station. According to the call notes, a female suspect was seen stealing candy and placing it in her purse before fleeing on foot. Officers swiftly located her at a nearby bus stop.
Because you...
Catalina, what's up?
I don't know who you are. They said you stole candy. What I'd like is to get the candy back and issue a trespass warning.
I don't have no candy. I didn't steal any candy.
You didn't?
No.
Okay. All right, we'll have them do a show up and stuff, and if they say it's you, we'll arrest you, okay?
Okay.
That works.
I have no idea.
Okay.
They asked for someone else to show up here, so here I am. Here, you just take a seat.
I'm just looking for my lighter so I can smoke my cigarette.
No, I don't want you digging around, so take a seat.
Take a seat?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let me take a seat.
Alright, so she matches the description she's designed on her pants, right? Maybe it's not her, we gotta figure it out. We haven't.
What she is with the candy.
What kind of candy?
Yellow color box candy. Like I said, I don't know. I was driving fast to get gas. Why would they say that? Why would they say that you were selling candy?
That's what they said. They said I sold candy.
Do you want to see if we can get the stuff back and then we'll just trespass her? If not, then we can arrest her if you want. I mean, it's up to you, really. It's your store.
I mean, you guys gonna...
Okay. I stole a bag of... I didn't steal. I took a bag of hot Cheetos. The lady popped up. I took the hot Cheetos out. Said, is there forks? There's no forks.
Quit digging.
Okay, okay. Excuse me.
Thank you.
We'll do whatever you want, man. It's your store. You have the rights here. So.
Arrest her and
Yeah.
Hey, so you are going to be under arrest?
I didn't steal anything.
Well, they do have video footage of
I
you.
literally didn't steal
Well,
anything.
they have video footage of you.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything.
No.
No.
We don't want to hurt you.
No. Get the fuck off of me. No.
Quit it.
No. No. Get off of me.
Hold on. There we go.
No. No.
Stop fighting. Ah, she bit me.
Stop.
Oh.
Get off of me now.
All right, now you're under arrest for a felony.
No.
You just assaulted a
Because
person.
I didn't get
Quit kicking me.
No.
Do you? Go to you.
You need to get a witness because I didn't steal nothing.
Ma'am, we need
I
to
didn't
roll
steal
you.
anything.
Ma'am,
No.
to stop fighting with us.
No, because I didn't steal nothing. No.
So you
I'm not
relax.
under assault 3 because I didn't. You assaulted me.
You bit me.
Because you said I stole something.
Okay, well, you're under arrest.
No,
okay?
trespass me, right, sir?
Get
off of
I think
me.
it's my old injury.
Get off of me.
I got from here. I don't know.
Get off of me.
Take a breath for me. Just take a breath for me, Catalina.
For what?
Tell you right now, I just need you to take a breath to calm down.
So didn't you trespass me?
No.
Did I steal something? No.
You weren't trespassed.
I was trespassed.
No.
Wasn't I just trespassed?
Nope, no place under...
No! Let me
breathe
go!
for me,
ma'am.
Let me go! No! What are you doing? Stop checking my pocket!
You want to search? We're gonna check your pocket.
Stop! Because you're stealing!
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not!
You are.
For what? Get the off of me! You did... You said...
Quit trying to pinch
No, get off! That's trespass! Get off! Get off!
Pull her head back so she doesn't bite me.
Pull my head back for what?
You've already bit one. You've already bit one person.
No,
I don't
what
feel like
the
getting
fuck?
bit today. Catalina, just breathe for me. So this side. No.
I don't want to go to jail for what? No! No, I'm not going to f***ing jail. No! No, I'm not going to jail. No, get off of me! Get off of me! Yeah! No! Stop!
Catalina,
I'm not going to fucking jail for nothing! Get off of me because I didn't steal shit! Get the f*** off of me! No! I'm lucky! No! Get off of me! Get off! No! Get off! Get off!
I gotta spit back.
Stop!
Got it, we got it.
No, you don't have shit! You're not taking me to f***ing jail for nothing! No! Because you hurt me! So self-defense, get the f*** off of me! Get, no! No! Just get off of me! No! Get off of me! No! No! Because I'm not going, I don't care! You spoke to me, I don't give a f***! Get off! Get off! I don't want to stop! Stop! Get off! No! Stop! You tracked my bag, so I steal nothing! No! Oh yeah, you got your daughter, cool. No!